or not. Learn how this game works. Once you understand how the game works, all these questions about what you should be using your money on and how much to invest and all this stuff should get answered. So when I was broke, I was investing a lot of my money just in learning. I learned a lot from funding $50 accounts. I blew every single one of them. It's very hard to trade a consistent strategy with only $50. And what it'll do is it'll hurt your psychology because you'll convince yourself that it's you who doesn't know how to trade when in reality you don't really know how to, how to navigate. Oh, my guy Drew is in the building. He says you better be going out to work out. Brother, I'm already done with my workout. I've already had breakfast. I've already done my morning mindset call with the Chart Addicts team. I'm driving to go pick up this situation right now in mid-Miami, and this fucking traffic is making it take too long. So I'm out here talking to the people. But it's good to see you on here. I know Drew's been up since way before I am. I know this guy wakes up fucking 4 a.m., 3 a.m. I'm just not competing with that. I don't know. Guys, I love y'all. I'm up. I'm active. I'm one of the most energetic people in the world. You're not going to catch me up at 3 a.m. That's sacred time. That's holy time. I started with $20 and made $600 to start my day. All right, well, keep doing that strategy over time and let me know how that works. Because I guarantee that you're going to have to over leverage to turn 20 to 600. And eventually when you have 20,000 and you're trying to turn it to 600,000, you're going to blow that account some way, somewhere along the way. Like, well, Roy, I'm different. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm going to be the one person to break that rule. Bro, fucking have fun. You and Elvis both. All right? That's more of that Sesame Street talk. How many women do you date? How many women do you date with your profits? Brother, if you can't get women when you're broke, I promise you having the money is not going to help you. All right? If you cannot talk to women, if you cannot pull women, if you cannot, you know what I'm saying, sleep with women while you're broke, I guarantee you that money's not going to make it go away. Let me tell you guys a secret about money. Money's not going to change your life the way that you think it is. That feeling that you have, that like you don't feel like you're the best version of yourself, that it does not go away with the money. I will promise you guys this. Confidence doesn't just show up because you have money. Women, not just going to show up because you have money. You're just going to be whack with money. It's that simple. If you don't know how to dress, having money is not just going to automatically make you look good. I can promise you guys these things. So if you don't know how to talk to people, you don't know how to talk to women, you don't know how to be the best version of yourself, you don't know how to have confidence, set goals, achieve what you want while you're broke, then having money is not going to solve your issues. Money will only ever solve money problems. You got problems with your family, you got problems with your girl, you got problems with this. Money is not going to solve that shit. I promise you this. So work on your life while you're getting the money. That way when it touches your hands, you know how to act. You're not going to be a fucking bum. Okay? What is a good trading journal? A fucking notebook, a spiral notebook. Hey bro, can't wait for Summit 23. What are the exact dates? I was explaining this earlier. We are finalizing things with this venue. I'm just going to break this to you guys. We're doing the event at the Heat Arena. The Heat Arena is not a fucking game. There's this other event that has the same exact date that we're going for. I'm trying to outcompete for that fucking slot. They want us to pay a pretty bag to kick them out of their slot, some kind of boating exhibit or some weird shit. I don't play this game. I told the arena that we're gonna get that slot, whether it's either we're gonna get that date or it's over my dead body. So over the next 4 or 5 days, we're gonna get a final answer. First week or second week of June, that's what you guys can expect. First or second weekend of June for sure. Heat Arena, Miami, Florida. Fuck FTX for leaving us dry, and leaving us with no sponsors. It's a start though if you got no money. Fucking right, lost 30K last year with that over-leveraging shit. Bro, somebody will come by and tell you, bro, you're not going heavy enough, bro. You should use bigger lots, bro. You should use bigger lots. And you're like, oh, this person's right. If I just use bigger lots, I'd make 10 times more money. And then you blow the fucking account and you're like, why the fuck did I ever listen to this dipshit? I should have stuck to my fucking guns and I should have stayed with my strategy. And that's what I do now. He said, bro, stop the cap. Ask your mother. Ask your mother. Don't get on my life talking about some cap. Can you share your views on CPI? I did for the Chart Addicts members. VIP, baby. Felix J.R. Dason says money is everything. Keep telling yourself that. You're going to be depressed as fuck in your penthouse. By yourself. With no women. And no friends. How much do you recommend I should fund my account to start with? Well, it depends on your goals, and it depends on your risk tolerance. I'm not going to recommend anybody to do anything on this call, because I don't know you or your personal situation. People, we do personal coaching at Chart Addicts for a reason. Because your personal situation, your risk tolerance, your financial situation, and your goals for life, and your personality are going to dictate what strategy you should use and how much money you can expect from that strategy. So, if you're broke, maybe you can't fund your last $1,000. But if you have a lot of money, maybe you want to fund at least $1,000. If you're, completely broke and this is like your last 1,000, maybe you want to be a little bit more conservative with your strategy so you can preserve this capital as opposed to putting it all up at risk. If you can refund the account, then maybe you want a higher risk strategy so you can actually make some money in this game. Know yourself, know your situation, and you'll have the answer. Know thyself. All right? Advice all this time. All right, people, I finally fucking arrived at this place after years of driving. Great to see all of you guys here. Again, if you guys want to be a part of that fundamentals program, we're doing a 2-week program starting today, and then we're going to do the next one at the end of January. If you guys want the standalone course just by itself for all the videos, it's over 4 hours of incredible content teaching you how to take advantage of market information and how to turn that market information and data into a strategy so you can make money from that thesis. If you guys are interested, make sure to click the link in the bio and go ahead and get started with us today. If not, $59 a month can get you access to becoming a Chart Addicts member, and you guys will know how to trade the CPI news on Wednesday or on tomorrow, and how to trade the Fed news on Wednesday, so you guys can end this year off strong. Look forward to trading with you guys. Look forward to seeing you guys as Chart Addicts members. Happy and safe trading. Take it easy. Peace.